These are my harvests from yesterday. I did not prepare them yesterday because we had other plans. So today I am going to cook them. So for the eggplant, I am going to fry these eggplants. And then this one, I'm not sure yet, the bitter melon. Maybe I'm going to saute this in eggs or maybe make omelette with these tomatoes. And then I'm going to add basil. And what else? Oh, I'm going to cook this milkfish too, or bangus.
Good morning, Mommy.
What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
What do you like to do today? Lazing away? Do you want to be in a hammock all day, lazing away under the fig tree?
Maybe.
Or you want to go somewhere?
I didn't know we were gonna go anyway.
Would you like to race Josh?
Sure. What?
That's perfect.
Perfect.
Would you like to massage your
Sure.
feet? You like it?
Yes.
Okay, we are massaging our feet.
Now head.
It's a relaxing day, right?
Maybe water the plants in the garden.
Okay, let's go to the garden. I'm going to water the plants in the front yard. That is a swallow butterfly. Here is our breakfast. The bread and then the coffee.
Laki na ng mga kamatis, so, no?
Yeah.
Cheers, Mommy. Delicious coffee.
I spilled the coffee. This is the ube.
It's yummy.
This is the ube bun. This is called ube bun. It
Ube
has
bun.
like ube there, and then the bread is soft. It's really good. And this is the Portuguese custard cake or tart. Let's get this flowers. This orange one. And here are my flowers. Pretty. Very pretty flowers. These are my harvests from yesterday. I did not prepare them yesterday because we had other plans. So today I am going to cook them. So for the eggplant, I am going to fry these eggplants. And then this one, I'm not sure yet, the bitter melon. Maybe I'm going to saute this in eggs or maybe make omelette with these tomatoes. And then I'm going to add basil. And what else? Oh, I'm going to cook this milkfish too, or bangus. And then I'm going to make calamansi juice. So I went to the garden and harvested mint for this calamansi juice, and I also picked these flowers. Probably need a different vase. And then I need to wash this and then put on the calamansi juice. Yum, yum. Need to like sort of crush this so it would release the oil and the scent and the trap. This is the bitter melon. This is a different variety. I think this is like Indian variety, and this is Taiwanese variety. We have that perception that anything with this skin is bitter, but this one is not bitter at all. So I'm going to make omelette with the squash blossoms. Oh, I harvested 2 more squash blossoms. I'll just put them all at the same time. So garlic and then the bitter melon. Saute them first, and then I'll add tomatoes later on, and then eggs. While the bitter melon is cooking, I am going to fry this eggplant. I'm frying the skin side first. This is really good dipped in soy sauce and lemon juice or vinegar or calamansi. I'm using calamansi juice. This is the milkfish. It's ready. I'm going to add the tomatoes here, and then the eggs in a little bit, and then I'll add a little bit of like salt. And now the eggs. I'm preparing the dip for the eggplant. So calamansi and soy sauce. And then I'll save the other one for the bangus. So I'm using this Filipino soy sauce. Marca Piña. Now I am preparing the table. Brunch is almost ready. Is the bitter melon omelette, the eggplant with dipping sauce, and then here is the bangus, and the dipping sauce for the bangus, and then rice. This is here. It's a beautiful day. I'm not sure if you could see the grapevine out there. I always love to look at those in the morning. But then in fall, the leaves are going to fall too. So there will be no leaves. For the juice, or the calamansi juice. Here's the calamansi juice. Flowers here, and about to fall, and then the calamansi juice. Here. There you go.
This is eggplant, rice, some yummy juice, fish, and yummy veggies.
Veggies, tomatoes, and bitter melon. I have this bitter melon omelette, the milkfish, and then the eggplant from the garden. The calamansi juice. Dati, calamansi dati. I think you need a little bit of the bottom, because the bottom has the sweet stuff. Adi, what is the black patis new?
Yeah.
A new style? Patis?
Yeah.
From where?
From the Korean market.
From the Philippines too?
I didn't check. Maybe Thailand or Vietnam.
Let's check what they have here at the St. Mary Bakery.
Ooh, they have mochi donuts.
Hmm. Interesting.
Mochi like, hi.
Check what you
Which
want,
one
Josh.
do you want, Jenny? Hi. Look, which one you want?
Shiitake
Okay,
mushroom
keep
cheese.
looking.
Look at this. Interesting. Shiitake mushroom cheese.
JD, look, mushroom. You want mushroom?
No,
Daddy, can you get me
coconut
this?
raisins.
Yeah.
Coconut
What is
raisin. Coconut raisin.
How many do you want?
Just one.
Dalawa yung
Yeah, if you want one, you want one. Mochi.
They have mochi taro.
Mochi taro?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, get me
You
one
wanna
too.
get two?
Yes, yes.
You want
Mochi
mochi
taro.
taro? Mochi.
Golden lava lake. Ooh. I think Josh is interested in this one. Golden lava lake. Oh, I like this one. It's kind of like the Portuguese thing. Like the one in Lisbon. This one, cheese tart.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, I like that.
Or you want the custard egg tart too?
Oh, I think maybe this one.
Mochi, huh?
Yeah, this is the Portuguese.
So I get
this is the
two.
Portuguese custard
Yoshi.
tart.
JD.
What are you getting, Josh?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Oh, okay.
Matcha powder, you like that? Danish cheese
Yeah.
dog, yeah, interesting.
Oh, I see something, Mommy. It's strawberry cream puff.
Huh?
Strawberry cream puff.
Boba cream puff. Okay.
Pineapple tart.
Pineapple tart. Oh, quite expensive.
Yeah.
$15. Okay.
Look, like this.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of that, by the way.
Like those.
Yeah. Okay. Very yummy cake. This one looks very yummy.
Yeah, the strawberry. Do you like that?
Yeah, it looks like Minecraft cake.
Minecraft cake. How about if you don't get this and get that one?
The strawberry cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Yes, this one trying to drink
You
too.
want purple taro milk tea
Taro milk.
or the kumquat with
Are you getting two
lychee
then?
jelly?
Are you getting or no?
Yeah. You don't want?
Oh, should I get?
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I'll have the taro. Yeah. Oh, that this is like, what is it, Daddy? This is kumquat and this is taro.
Kumquat
Oh,
green
they are
tea.
happy lemon. We have this in the Philippines, the happy lemon.